Look at that view right there. This is our camping spot. Welcome back to the channel, guys. We just left Bryce Canyon National Park and we've made our way through Zion National Park. And today's goal was just to get to our camping spot before sunset. And I honestly didn't have a camping spot picked, so I just pulled up the maps and just kind of guessed. And this is what we ended up with. This is the most epic campsite I've ever had. The views are just absolutely incredible. We're gonna get dinner going because we actually have to get up super early tomorrow to catch the bus into Zion National Park. And we're gonna be hitting Angel's Landing. We're gonna get the tent set up and we're gonna crash for the night. But we might just, soak in the views just a little bit. Just a little. So what's cooking tonight?
Chicken pasta.
Chicken pasta. I am so hungry I could eat anything. We're trying to keep it simple so we can get out of here early in the morning. We got to go through the main entrance of the park, then we have to find parking, then we have to find the bus station because I have no idea where any of this stuff is. I'm trying to give myself a little bit of room to have a little margin of error. Anyway, we're gonna get cracking with dinner and soak in the last bit of daylight with that epic view right out there. Then we'll just call it a night. But I will see you guys first thing in the morning. That's the peak over there. I'm not sure which one it is. So Angel's Landing is probably one of my favorite trails of all time now. It was pretty strenuous, but I'm pretty used to hikes like that. Okay, it was a really awesome hike. Going uphill, I could do that all day long, but going downhill really killed my calves. But I don't regret it at all. I definitely recommend that hike if you ever stop into Zion National Park. Right now, I am beat. Taylor is napping up in the tent. I'm just kind of enjoying what little shade I have left while the sun is starting to set that way. Tomorrow's plan is to go check out the Narrows, so I'm super excited for that. Meanwhile, we're just gonna sit back, relax. In a few hours here, we'll probably get dinner on the grill, and then I'm probably just gonna crash for the night because I think I'm just done for the day today. It was worth it, but I am tired. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to day 2 of our visit to Zion National Park. We're getting ready to pack up and split out of the campground here and go find a parking spot at the visitor center. And the plan from there is to go hike the Narrows. So parking was an absolute nightmare. We packed up camp, headed over to the visitor center. Every parking spot was full and everyone was just kind of circling around like vultures waiting for a spot to free up. We tried for about 10 minutes or so, maybe a little longer, and eventually just gave up. And we're thinking we weren't going to be able to do the Narrows Trail if we couldn't find a parking spot, because I didn't want to leave the vehicle in town. But we drove up the road a little ways, and we ended up parking over at the museum, and now we're actually hiking over to the visitor center where the bus station is at. So it looks like we might be able to make this after all.
Safe place for me to leave. Remember all the brilliant things, brushstroke skies tucked behind cityscapes.
So that wraps up our visit to Zion National Park. We are back on the trail from the visitor center, just got off the bus from the Narrows, and we are making our way back to the car right over here. There's still some daylight left, which means I still need to find camp for the night. So I'm thinking I should go back to my little secret spot I found earlier. What do you think?
Sounds good to me.
All right, let's go. Well, that was a loaded 2 days here at Zion National Park. We got to see Angel's Landing and we got to hike through the Narrows. Those are 2 absolutely amazing hikes. But our time here has come to an end and we have left the park. We just got camp set up and we're getting ready to crash for the night because we are just beat tired from all the hiking that we've been doing. So we're gonna recuperate here and get ready for our next adventure, and I hope you guys continue to follow along. And don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't, check out the other videos we've been posting of this adventure of the Grand Canyon and Bryce Canyon. So we'll look forward to seeing you guys in the next video when we tackle the Mojave Desert.